Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to apply for an Oyster card online. Whether you're a London local or a visitor, having an Oyster card makes traveling around the city so much easier and cheaper. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and type Transport for London Register Oyster. Then click the first result that appears. It should take you to the official Transport for London website, and from here I want you to click the Create an Account option. This will forward you to a new page wherein you all have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed like your title, your first and last name. If you wanted to provide your contact mobile number and other number, that's okay because it's optional. And once you've done that, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the verification page and you need to enter your address. Okay, so just follow the on-screen instructions and click the next button. After that, you might want to go back to the Transport for London official website because this is the opportunity for you to buy the card itself. So you can choose from the following. You can have a versatile smart card, flexible and reusable, which is also good for airport transfer. And you can select the quantity that you wanted. Okay, and the prices are available here. Now, if in case you are having problems registering an Oyster card online, you might want to go to the official customer support help. From here, you need to tell them your situation and one of the customer staff will provide help and potentially fix the problem. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next video.